Welcome to Propositional Logic, where we'll unlock the secrets of reasoning from history to real-world applications. Let's dive in. Diving into propositional logic, we deal with straightforward truths or falsities. Take the declaration, "the sky is blue," as a binary proposition. It's either true or false, no in-between. This foundational understanding sharpens our critical thinking, enabling us to dissect complex issues with precision. Consider software decision-making in computing. It hinges on these binary statements to perform intricate operations seamlessly. Ever wondered how AI makes decisions? It evaluates situations as true or false, similar to deciding whether an obstacle is present. This binary reasoning is our stepping stone. Let's see how logical operators enable us to construct even more complex statements from these simple truths. From the binary propositions we've just navigated, we pivot to logic's historical voyage. Aristotle introduced deductive reasoning, establishing logic's framework. George Boole intertwined this with mathematics, making logic computationally relevant, a blend vital for today's tech. Claude Shannon then connected Boole's concepts to circuits, making computing physically possible. Each step, from Aristotle's syllogisms to Shannon's electrical circuits, illustrates logic's transformation into the digital algorithms we encounter daily. These developments reveal logic's deep roots in technology, setting up our exploration of logic's current applications and its future in computing. Building on the trek from Aristotle to algorithms, we meet propositions, logic's core. They're like binary switches, marked true or false. Take "the sky is blue," straightforward under clear skies, or 2 + 2 = 4, the bedrock of logic. But a quirk, this sentence is false. A brain teaser, isn't it? It slips through true-false cracks, showcasing logic's playful side. This understanding nudges us towards the intricate dance of propositions in logical reasoning, ready for the next step. Diving deeper from propositions, meet logical operators, and, or, not, essentials in slicing through life's decisions. Consider entering a concert requiring both your ID and ticket, or choosing an umbrella when it's not sunny. These tools simplify life, turning complex decisions into clear choices. How? By dissecting everyday judgments into binary expressions, leading to sharper, more efficient decision-making. Let's march forward, understanding these operators, roles in daily logic puzzles, enhancing clarity and action. Diving right into the AND operator, think of it as a digital lock that needs both a password and a username. Without both, access is denied, illustrating A$B = false if either A or B is false. This logic forms the core of our decision-making, akin to needing both flour and sugar to bake a cake. The truth table solidifies our understanding, showing AND's requirement for double truth. Reflect on this as we smoothly segue into another logical operator, enriching our logical toolkit for clearer decisions. Pivoting from AND's strictness to OR's inclusivity, consider your morning dilemma. Coffee or tea, both ignite your day. OR thrives on options, just needing one true condition to say yes. It's a bit like weather-ready decisions, umbrella or coat, either prepares you for rain or chill. Now imagine it's warm but cloudy, beach day, right? Yes, warm satisfies our OR condition. This logic enriches decisions, gracefully weaving us into exploring other operators, deepening our logical toolkit. Next, we delve into OR's counterparts, expanding our understanding. Shifting from OR's diverse pathways, we now encounter the NOT operator, a pivot to clarity by inversion. Picture a light switch, on to off, mirroring NOT's essence in flipping truth. It's straightforward, true becomes false, and vice versa. Consider, "I am not coming to the party." With NOT, it reverses, "I am coming to the party." This simplicity underpins logical complexities, leading us into deeper logical exploration, without veering from truth's core dynamics. After exploring the NOT operator's simple yet profound ability to invert truth values, we edge into conditionals, the bedrock of logical if-then promises. Consider the precise logic. If rain is forecasted, then I'll carry an umbrella to avoid getting drenched. This scenario, bold symbol P right arrow Q, illustrates conditional reasoning at its core. Here, bold symbol P signifies the forecast of rain, a condition that, if true, naturally leads to the consequence, bold symbol Q, carrying an umbrella. Such logical structures are not confined to everyday decisions, but extend to complex problem-solving and programming, highlighting the pivotal role of conditionals in shaping our analytical mindset. This understanding paves the way for delving into more intricate logical relationships, enhancing our critical thinking prowess. Transitioning from conditional logic's if-then scenarios, we zap into and logic with an interactive twist. Ever thought, I'm both hungry and have food? This scenario hits home only when both statements align as true, perfectly embodying the and operator's essence. Both prerequisites must be affirmed for truth. Through constructing truth tables, we visually dissect this logic, polishing our analytical toolkit. Armed with this knowledge, we're one step closer to mastering logical operators' nuances. Let's forge ahead. Building on and logic's clarity, we pivot to the or operator, where just one true statement tips the balance. Picture your morning dilemma, coffee or tea. Having either means a bright start. This mirrors or logic's core, outlined in our truth table. Every row, save for both choices being false, lights our satisfaction green. For instance, coffee available, true, or tea not, false, still equals a happy morning, true. This practical insight into OR logic not only simplifies daily choices, but smoothly transitions us towards understanding complex logical frameworks. Reflect on this. Deciding to wear a jacket, or carry an umbrella, given the forecast. This choice, embodying OR logic, prepares us to face rain in any form. Building on our exploration of OR logic, we transition smoothly into the realm of logical equivalence, where different expressions or actions produce the identical result, like turning a light on with either a switch or a remote. This equivalence, illustrated in the switch S and remote R scenario, teaches us that despite the method, the outcome, light on, remains constant. This mirrors how P right arrow Q and L not P law Q in propositional logic convey the same truth, guiding us to spot equivalence in everyday decisions. Understanding this sets the stage for diving deeper into logical intricacies and puzzles, enhancing our logic application skills in daily life without skipping a beat. Shifting from logical equivalence, we encounter two absolutes, tautologies and contradictions. Tautologies, like the inescapable truth that it will either rain tomorrow or not, are always true. Contradictions say the impossible, assuming both rain and no rain simultaneously, eternally false. Now puzzle through this. This statement is false. A paradox, not fitting snugly as either tautology or contradiction, it twists our logical understanding, prompting a deeper dive into logic's boundaries. As we unravel this complexity, consider how such absolutes and paradoxes shape our grasp of logical reasoning. On to our next exploration, let's dissect how to navigate through these logical landscapes efficiently. Leaping from broad logical concepts, let's zoom into conditional statements, the logical if-then. This is our everyday math. If antecedent P is true, consequent Q follows, stitched as P right arrow Q. Imagine texting. If you send a message, M, then your friend receives it, R, effectively, M right arrow R. This mirrors how logic is embedded in daily actions, like choosing an umbrella if clouds thicken. Instantly, these linkages hint at logic's role in shaping decisions. As we progress, these conditional threads will weave into the fabric of advanced logical reasoning, deepening our understanding. Building on our exploration of conditional statements, today we're digging into argument validity. Validity means if our premises are true, the conclusion logically follows and can't be false. Enter truth tables, laying out all possibilities to test this coherence. Consider, if sunny, I wear sunglasses. I am wearing sunglasses. So, is it sunny? Nope. This is a classic fallacy of affirming the consequent. Spotting such errors is key in mastering argument validity, paving our way to deeper logical reasoning. From scrutinizing argument validity, we delve into deductive reasoning, a pivot from the general to the specific, ensuring our conclusions stand firm. Modus ponens illustrates this beautifully. If it rains, sidewalks become wet. It's raining, therefore sidewalks are wet. Turning the tables with modus tollens. Observing dry sidewalks, what must we infer about the weather? Correct, it hasn't rained. These aren't abstract theories, but the backbone of everyday reasoning and scientific hypothesis testing, equipping us for nuanced logical challenges ahead. Expanding from modus ponens and tollens, we now encounter syllogism, a dynamic leap in logical reasoning. Hypothetical syllogism, for instance, navigates through sequential conditions, rain necessitating an umbrella, demonstrating our adaptive decision-making based on environmental cues. Meanwhile, disjunctive syllogism, presenting an either-or scenario, like choosing between studying or watching TV when not studying, reveals the underlying process of elimination in our daily decisions. This exploration into syllogism enhances our understanding of logical structures, subtly preparing us to delve deeper into propositions and their logical outcomes, seamlessly connecting our thought processes to more complex arguments ahead. As we step through the logical landscape with direct proof, think of it as tracing a bright, unswerving line from our assumptions to our conclusion. Delving into example 1, it's clear that if both P and Q are true, the truth of P alone is undeniable, an insight into the independent validity of propositions. Transitioning to example 2, the principle of OR logic unveils itself. Even if Q is unverified, P's truth ensures P law Q holds true. Now, dissecting the given challenge. With P law Q and ACNEG Q, logic dictates P must hold true for the expression to make sense. This real-world analogy, reminiscent of solving a puzzle piece by piece, showcases the power of direct proof in verifying each logical step towards a conclusion. As we wield these tools of logic, we edge closer to the essence of constructing and deconstructing arguments with precision. Building on our dive into direct proofs, let's explore how propositional logic underpins real-world applications, seamlessly linking theory to practice. Consider programming. The text if-then-else statements control program flow by applying logical conditions directly. In electrical engineering, the AND gate's output is true only when both inputs are, illustrating basic logical operations. AI uses this logic for decision-making. For instance, a robot uses the condition, if path A is blocked, then choose path B, highlighting logical conditions' role in action guidance. Similarly, automated testing relies on propositional logic to set conditions like, if a file opens, then check its content, ensuring software performs reliably across scenarios. Now, picture this: smart cities optimizing traffic flow through propositional logic in traffic lights, reducing congestion efficiently. As we delve deeper into logic's applications, imagine how it will continue to revolutionize technology, prompting us to remain curious about its future potential. Diving deeper from our discussion on propositional logic, vital in AI and programming, we now explore advanced logic involving quantifiers like for all and exists. Consider how these expand logical capabilities, making statements like, all humans are mortal, precisely expressible. Let's decode. Every cloud has a silver lining with predicate logic, structuring it logically to grasp its optimistic essence. By specifying cloud and silver lining, predicate logic allows us to refine and communicate complex ideas clearly. This step into advanced logic not only sharpens our reasoning, but also unveils sophisticated applications in mathematics and beyond, setting the stage for even deeper insights in our next segment. Building on propositional logic, let's demystify how if it's raining and you have an umbrella, you won't get wet, illustrates logical operations. It's simple. Raining implies you might get wet, but having an umbrella negates this, showing P, Q in action. This groundwork paves the way for predicate logic, where we delve deeper, applying quantifiers to dissect and navigate through more intricate scenarios with precision. Ready to explore how logic evolves to model our complex world? Let's transition smoothly into this new realm, equipped with a solid base in understanding simple truths and their profound implications.